Assalamualaikum my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like the content and you'll consider subscribing. So as you can see from the title, I'm using drugstore products and I've come up with this look. I hope you like it. If you want to see how I did it, please keep on watching. My eyebrows are done. I've used this NYX micro brow pencil and set them in place using this Kiko's Eyebrow Designer Gel Mascara. Now to start off my face, I'm using this Porfade Foundation Primer by Beautify by Amna. It's an oil-free primer. It will smooth your skin very nicely. Apply it on your problem areas and T-zone. Next, I'm using E.L.F. Jelly Highlighter. This is a jelly-based highlighter, very creamy and very shiny. So I just apply it on the high points of the face. For my foundation today, I'm using Maybelline's Dream Satin Skin Foundation. It's the only one I had on hand that was from drugstore. I'm applying it all over the face and blending with the beauty sponge from Beautify by Amna. This is a good foundation and it has buildable coverage, so I'm just reapplying it on the problem areas where I need slightly more coverage so that I don't end up with a thick layer of foundation, and I'm blending again well with the beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm again using Maybelline product. This is Maybelline's Age Rewind. It's one of my favorite concealers, very high quality concealer from drugstore. It blends very well, it decreases the creasing under eyes, and it stays put for a long period of time. You just have to blend well and apply a really small amount, as much as needed only. Don't overdo it and blend it well. You can see me making funny faces just so that I can push it in my skin and it will stay for a long time. And to powder it all down, I'm using Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Press Powder. I'm first going to apply this under my eyes to set my concealer. You need a good amount, not too much but good enough. And for the rest of the face, you just powder it slightly. No need to add a lot of powder on the rest of the face. You just lightly dust the powder all over. For my bronzer, I'm using Physician Formula's Butter Bronzer. This is also another excellent product from drugstore. It gives good dimension to the face, good color to the face without looking too much. Just take some powder on the tip of the brush for your nose contour like I'm doing here, so you don't need to have an extra brush, and just sculpt your nose. Next, I'm going to use some Wet n Wild products, starting with this blush. This is Pearlescent Pink. It's a very cute peachy shimmery blush. I just apply on the apple of the cheeks, and like the trend these days, I'm applying a little bit on my nose as well, just to look peachy, flushed. And yeah. Next in line from Wet n Wild is this gorgeous highlighter in Precious Petals. The color payoff this gives is nothing less than a high-end product. It's highly recommended. If you're on a budget, grab this. It's gorgeous. Bling bling. I just love highlighters. To start off the eyes, I'm first applying the same Age Rewind concealer as an eyeshadow base and blending it with my blending brush. And for the eyeshadows, I'm using Wet n Wild's Rose in the Air ColoriCon kit, and I'm using the skin tone to set my concealer first and set both eyes with this color. Next, I'm taking this transition color at the bottom with a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply it in my crease. Now for the first color, the transition color, you need to apply it in the crease in a circular motion so it goes upwards, not on the lid basically. For the lid, I'm taking this brush. This is a thin flat brush, and I'm using the deeper color now and applying it right in my crease. This time I'm not blending it upwards, I'm just putting the color in my crease And with this brush you can first apply the color in the crease and then turn the brush sideways, as you can see here, and slightly blend the color. Taking a smaller blending brush, I am now applying the same two colors on the lower lash line. First the transition shade and then the deeper color, but keep the deeper one next to the lash line. Now taking a smaller Wet n Wild quad, this is Walking on the Eggshells. I'm taking this peach shimmery color and applying all over the main lid. It's a very nice glittery shade. Back to the other palette, I'm taking the darkest brown on a small stiff brush and I'm going to apply it on my upper lash line like a smudged eyeliner. I always like smudged eyeliner look. It's very soft and it won't give the makeup a very harsh look. Back to the smaller quad, I am now applying the brow bone shade to highlight my brow bone and inner corners of the eyes. And this usually completes my eye look. I love the softness of the smudged eyeliner, yet the eyes still have a little depth from the deeper shadows. But I thought today why not take it a step ahead and apply a wing eyeliner that I seldom do. So first what I did was I applied the NYX Wonder Pencil in my waterline and then used the Kiko's liquid eyeliner to add the wing. I applied a thick coat of Loreal's Lash Paradise Mascara. And now for my lips, I am using this Kiko's lip pencil and drawing my lips, and then I will fill the lips with this color. And I'm going to top it up with a NYX's liquid lipstick. So this completes the look. You can of course add your pair of favorite lashes, but I don't usually wear lashes on a daily, so I skip those. And let me know if you like it and give me a thumbs up. And also please let me know if you like the lighting better, because I'm playing around with different setups and I really want to improve the video quality and the lighting, so do let me know if you like it. Please don't forget to like this video, and if you have a suggestion, leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much.